Hi guys, today we're going to give you some advices and tips about the new game called Fortnite, which I think you've already heard about it. So this game is basically a third-person game in Battle Royale. So actually the Battle Royale game mode is a PvP mode or person versus person mode, and the rules are really clear. First, drop in and land, load up, so you gotta choose a landing spot and search for gear. Secondly, stay inside the eye of the storm, so basically deadly clouds are closing in and the eye will shrink as the storm intensifies. And finally, last one standing wins, and there can be only one winner. So, the second you touch the floor, you gotta take loots, which are guns, grenades, shields, and heal balls. So you have different weapons with different colors, from grey to gold. Grey is the common weapon, then green, blue, purple, and gold. Obviously, if the color changes, the damage changes as well. Another thing is that you got 3 materials in this game that allows you to build. The 3 materials are woods, stones, and steel. Obviously, the stronger is steel and the most common is wood. So let's start now with cut down some trees. First of all, when you're cutting down trees or any other material, you always gotta hit the blue circle, like that. That's a trick that you should know when you're beginning in Fortnite. Indeed, that will make you save time and will give you more woods.
Now let's start with buildings. So building is a really important thing in this game. It will help you to win more fights. First level, that's a very simple build tactic if you are a noob. Alright, this is basically what you want to learn first. So go to Wailing Woods and get a lot of wood like I did here, and then practice this stuff, because that's actually really gonna help you. And if you want to learn this, you have to practice. So first of all, that's just a 1 by 1. Put down some stairs, and that will place you above your enemy, and now you got the high ground. It's easier for you to eliminate, and you can keep going like that with building 1 by 1. Put some stairs. I just messed up right there with the ramp, with the stairs. It's not a problem. So that's place you on the high ground, so that give you really pretty much position above your enemy, so you can just destroy any person down. That's the first technique. And that's the first thing you want to learn in this game. The second tactic is actually to build double stairs while you're sprinting. So just keep building double stairs, right, like that, just like that. You shouldn't really go this high, because I was going a little bit high right there, because they actually can shoot you from underneath. So you can actually just build like 2 or 3 levels, and now you got the high ground, so it's much easier for you to kill your enemy. But this tactic, the only issue with this tactic is like when you are building stairs, you don't give protection to your stairs. So if an enemy starts shooting at you, he just shoots your ramp, you just shoot your stairs, and then you fall down, and that's not what we want. So that's why we are going to show you another tactic, and that tactic is actually like it's actually the same, but when you build stairs, you just have to build a wall. So you got with stairs, wall, stairs, wall, stair, walls, and that's give protection to your stairs, so enemy can really shoot. So enemy, when they want to shoot your stairs, they have to shoot the wall, and that give you more time. By the time that they are shooting the walls, and after that the stairs, you probably kill them. And you can use the same tactic with the double stairs. So you just keep building double stairs and walls, double stairs and walls, so that give you more protections if you are rushing someone in his base, sorry, and stuff like that. So you got 2 walls and 2 stairs. So the time that he break down your walls and stairs, you have already killed him. So that's the point with this technique. The other technique is just like when you have an enemy above you and you are in like a 1x1 base, all what you have to do is to edit your wall, create a door, and then build a stair just in front of you. And when you look up, you can build another stairs. So you are going to build it, and now just keep building up and down, up and down, and up and down until you reach a point. You build a wall and then a stairs. So now you have the high ground, and he just like you can really, it's easy for you to kill him. So that will help you in many situations when you are struggling because you have your enemy above you. That will give you the high ground upon him, and when you have the high ground, you just have the key of the battle. So high ground is really important in Fortnite Battle Royale. So let's do it again. Now we are in your little 1x1 base. The enemy is above you, and what you have to do is to press 0, edit your wall, and just starting to build stairs, wall and stairs. So now you have high ground, and it's done. And now there is another situation, is when you have the low ground and the enemy has the high ground. So suppose now we have an enemy up on that hill. So it's really hard to deal with this situation, but what you have to do is like build stairs, then walls, just to give a little bit high, just to go a little bit higher, then stairs and walls, and then you use the technique of stairs and walls until you you have now the high ground. So it's really easy to kill him, and now you just inverse the situation in your favor, and that's will help you to win this fight.